Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you this mystery potions.
It's magic potions. It's
Yeah.
not just a game, but it's a really fun game and it makes a really nice gift now for kids in this holiday season.
Comes as 20 mystery potions.
Really? Let's
Yeah.
see what it comes with. It comes with a potion recipe book. It comes with a storage box, and this box has like all the tubes, funnels, colors. It comes also with this mystery potion, also containers, really cool shapes, different shapes and caps, also with labels, glitters, and extra mystery stuff in here, right?
By the way, guys,
What?
this is not real glass. This is just made out of plastic.
Yeah. So it's we can play safely. Kids can play safely. Just watch out. You cannot eat it or rub your eyes with it. So let's start playing, Mark.
Okay.
So the potion recipe book comes with all those potions. And we want to do the happy potion, right? Do you like happy? Page number 9. And that's all the ingredients that we're gonna need. We're gonna need rainbow star, large magic bottle, fairy stick, and all of these. Let's do it.
1 scoop.
About 1 scoop from the rainbow glitter. The unicorn, can you place it inside? Stir it with the stick. With a stick, it needs stirring with a fairy stick.
Yes.
Then we're gonna need some water. Can you add some water?
Yeah. Right here.
Yes.
How much?
Just all of it.
All of it. Okay.
Ooh, that's it. That's it. Label it with the happy. Yeah. Let's make now the Imagine potion. We're gonna put the funnel. We're using the funnel this time. We learned our lesson. You need to stir it with a fairy stick.
Stir it.
Yes. We're gonna need some pumpkin. I'm gonna give you a couple pumpkins.
Yes. There's
Can
a
you put
bat.
the spider? The spider?
Spider too.
Mm.
Here.
Some water, but you need to put the funnel.
I know. There we put the spider.
Okay. Yeah. Some water.
Pumpkins.
Don't fill all the way, okay? That's it, that's it, that's it. Enough. I think we're good. We need to put some mermaid tears. 1, 2. We need to put some golden sunshine. Golden sunshine.
Did I ask?
Okay. You need to close it. And we need now the Imagine sticker. Imagine sticker?
It's right here.
Right here. Grab it.
Did I
And
ask?
we need the rope. This is so cool.
I know.
Put some water. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see. I'm so nervous. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What happened?
It's so cool.
I know. Let's put it.
We had so much fun, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. We really had so much fun creating those potions, right, Mark?
Yes. Really cool. Look at this heart one we made.